I want to share with you a great idea on how to get just a really cute little chignon at the back of the hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to place a ponytail down at the nape of the neck like this. And then I'm going to slide the ponytail elastic down and I'm going to split the hair into two. Then I'm going to take the tail over and under, so over and through, and pull it in nice and tight like this. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of back combing, just a small amount of back combing, just to puff it out, brush it up like this, and then we're going to use our little hair device to pull that through. So here we go, there it is, and we'll just take those tails and pull that back through. This gives us a really beautiful little chignon like this. Now the tails, I'm just going to sweep the tails around and pull the tails up and over. Now for the full tutorial, become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club and learn how I pinned and held this hairstyle together.